students, Dr. Schragi here, and I'm ready to start you on the lectures about building regression models. And the first thing we need to do is start reminding ourselves about how correlation worked again. We talked about correlation originally way back at least 2 modules ago, and we've been kind of building on the idea, but in order to build a good statistical model of electrical load and yield or something like that, we're going to need to know more about how correlation works and so on. Remember, correlation was a descriptive statistic. It described or quantified, more specifically, the nature of the relationship between 2 random variables. Remember, this was part of that set of lectures that were about paired data, where we had to have 2 random variables, we'll call that x and y. There are 2 different phenomena. Maybe x is the temperature today, and y is the electrical load on the power grid. Okay, they are 2 random variables that probably are related, and you had to have a set of paired sets of observations. The current temperature, the temperature at time 1 with the electrical load at time 1, and then the temperature at time 2 with the electrical load at time 2. They had to be pairs of data. Now, before we get just too far on this, let's just do a question so that we're all on the same page about this whole correlation thing. Just to remind yourself, what was the symbol that we used for correlation? Was it sigma, sigma squared, r, or r squared? Make a choice from one of the 4 options below, and we'll move on and see if you have the answers correct.